Before saying anything, let's start the timer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something I'm so excited about. I absolutely love challenges. So it's 30-minute challenge in which I'll be making a mushroom house and 3 tips I want to give you guys. Also, I've done 10 videos on my channel. If you don't check them out, then go check them out after this video. So if you're looking for painting tutorials, then it's the place to be. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Moreover, turn on my post notification. That would be absolutely incredible. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram.
Asking for a sign from you, cause I'm so broke inside. I'm feeling lost, this world has me so confused. All these nights I'm praying I can be the one that you guide. Yelled up, I pray you keep me safe from walking off the path astray.
So tip number 1 is using sponge. If you want to paint faster or you want your backgrounds to look more attractive and blended, then use sponge like I'm using here. Before filming this video, I was working on another video, but a strange thing happened and suddenly last night I just changed my mind and deleted that all damn videos and then started this 30-minute challenge. But now I'm slightly glad because I just nailed it. It's my first time I'm making this fantasy painting. I just really love mushroom houses because it seems gratified to me.
I know that you can hear me, the thoughts in my mind and the words that I whisper. I know you're here with me, but I still end up in sin and I wish that I didn't. Oh Lord, forgive me. I messed around when I knew much better. This world can break a heart in two, and now that I know this, I'll never leave you. If I ever leave this path, don't let me go. Don't let me live a life that's void of you, my Lord. It's hard to walk the path when so many have fallen. So Lord, won't you send down all of your blessings? Oh, Robbie, I know you bring back those who seek you, Lord. I'm trying every day to be the one that will have your love even when I go. Someone said to me once, how if I've sinned as much as the ocean, you'd still forgive like it was never done.
Okay, so the tip number 2 is if you don't want to waste your paints, also you want to take your artwork to the next level, then leave some area from corners of the canvas as I made it uneven, that it's look more cool and attractive. So tip number 3 is if you're bored of square canvases, also you want your painting to look more wonderful, then just change the side into lozenge so it gives your painting a fetchy look and you will definitely enjoy painting like that.
Robbie, I don't understand it. It's hard these days, can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Robbie, I don't understand this. This pain I feel, can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Robbie, I don't understand it. Why is it hard for me? Why is it hard for me? Why is it hard for me? Lord, why is it hard for me? Robbie, I don't understand it. It's hard these days, can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Robbie, I don't understand this. This pain I feel, can't stand it. My heart can't take this damage. In the way I feel, can't stand it. Robbie, I don't understand it.
Moreover, comment your favorite paints. It could be oil paints, water paints, or acrylic paint, or it could be nothing. Or comment the worst nightmare you ever had because I'm having them often. So here I'm using this white pen. It's awesome because it's shiny and vibrant, easy to use, and Also, I'm doing commissions for you guys and I'm selling my art on Instagram and soon on Patreon. If any one of you are interested and want to buy prints or original pieces, then make sure to comment and visit my Instagram account, which is linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because thumbs up are awesome, and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I'll catch you guys next time. See ya.